what you got there? Yeah, the cross.
Huh?
The X. How do they get such sweet little voices? What? Hot chair needs cleaning. Huh? Marcy's here, right? What, honey? Shove the hair out of there? Yeah. Someday I should take this off and toss this in the washer too. It's kind of dirty up here. Thank you for the help, Troy. Thank you.